Hello children and welcome back to EVS2 class. So children, you remember what we were doing in last class? In the last class? Yes, in the last class children, we started our new lesson, that is United We Stand. Okay, in part 1. Okay, and what did we study in our last class? Before proceeding to the next topic, let's just do a quick recap. Okay, and I hope all of you are very good at your homes, attending the classes regularly and keeping safe. So children, shall we proceed? Okay, so before we go, let's do a quick recap. Yes, we were doing this lesson, United We Stand, part 1. And before proceeding, let's do a recap. And what did we do in our last class? If you remember, we studied about culture. What is culture? The food, the clothing, the language of a particular group of people is called culture. Okay, and then we studied about languages. Okay, and India has 22 official languages. And what do you understand by official language? Official language means the language which is used by the government for their work. Okay, and India has 22 official languages. And how many, and in spite of the 22 official languages, how many languages India has? India has 1600 languages. Okay, India has 1600 languages apart from these 22 official languages. Okay, now children, let's move to our next topic. And what is our next topic? You know, it is different styles of living. If you have your textbook, children, please take out your textbook. Okay, we'll be doing different styles of living. What are the different styles of living? So children, here it's given, Indians have different kinds of food and clothing. Yes, as I already told you, children, in India, various types of people with various food habits, clothing, and various culture, they all stay together. Okay, and so Indians have different kinds of food and clothing also. Indians have, you can see, so many types of languages are there. 1600 unofficial languages are also there. Okay, but still in India the people stay united. So Indians have different kinds of food and clothing. And here it's given, read about these people from different parts of India. And I hope you know about the people, about some of the groups of the people which stay in different parts of India. Now find out the state which they live in, their language, their clothes and their favorite food. Find them and their families on the map given on page 3. So children, we stay in which state? We stay in the state of Assam. Okay, and what are the people of Assam called? They are called Assamese people. And so children, we all know about the culture of Assam. Okay, they speak Assamese. Then what is their food habits? Their food habits, we all know, they eat bhat, okay, rice they eat. Then they eat children, rice, dal, sabzi, okay, vegetables they eat. Then they wear mekhla chadar. Okay, so these are the food habits and culture of Assam. Assamese, they speak, they eat bhat, dal, then sabzi they eat, okay, like veggies. And what do they also eat pitha, okay, which they make during Bihu. So this is about the Assamese people, and they wear the mekhla chadar. Now in your book, children, some groups of people are there, okay, which has been given. Okay, now let's see what is their food habits. First, children, it is given the food habits, the culture of Jammu and Kashmir has been shown. Okay, and how do they tell you hello? They tell Assalam alaikum. And here a girl has been shown, Afshan, and she is telling in Kashmiri language, okay, Assalam alaikum, and her language is Kashmiri and Urdu, and she wears, her dress is fairan. And what do the people of Kashmir they mostly eat? It is kulcha and rogan josh. Okay, these are food items. Kulcha is a type of chapati, roti, and Rogan Josh is a type of recipe of mutton. Okay, so children, now again we'll move to the next person. Okay, he is from Rajasthan and he's telling hello. And how is telling hello? He's telling Khamma Ghani. Okay, he's telling Khamma Ghani, and his name is Murali, and he is from Rajasthan. Yes, and see, he can speak two languages. He can speak Hindi and Rajasthani. Okay, and what is his attire, his traditional dress? It is bright turban, cotton angarkha. Okay, cotton angarkha and dhoti. His shirt is called angarkha, and they wear cotton clothes. Okay, and dhoti. And then what they eat dal bati. Okay, they eat dal bati. The food which is famous in Rajasthan is dal bati. Okay, so this was about Jammu and Kashmir in Rajasthan. Now now we see two more people. You can see in your textbook about two more people, and they are telling one is from Nagaland and the other is from Maharashtra. And you can see, children, this one from Nagaland is telling he is telling hello. He is telling Salemu, I am Akevi. He is from Nagaland. He can speak Ao in English. Ao is the language of the people of Nagaland. Then he wears woolen shawl. Okay, and what is the food they eat? Meat, fish, rice, and vegetables with tattu. And what is tattu? Tattu is a chutney. Okay, then the girl, the next you can see a girl from Maharashtra, and she can speak Marathi. Okay, and what she's wearing a traditional dress which is called Parker Polka. And then children, what do they eat? They eat bhakari. Okay, bhakari is like a roti, and bharit made from brinjal. It's a vegetable curry. Okay, so this was about the girl from Maharashtra, the Maharashtrian people, what they eat, how they can speak which language, what is a traditional dress. And the other we can see a boy from Nagaland. Now let's move to the person from Tamil Nadu. Okay, to the person from Tamil Nadu. And what he's telling? He is from Tamil Nadu. Which language he can speak? He can speak Tamil and English, and his traditional dress is called mundu. And then children, the traditional food is idli. Okay, now children, this was about the 5 groups of people. There are many groups of people in India also. Okay, there are the Assamese people, the Bengali people, the Oriya people, the Khasi people, then the Gujarati people are there, then the Punjabi people are there, the Bihari people are there. So many different groups of people are also there. Now here children, there is a special thing is there in your book, and it's given write about yourself. Okay, they are telling you'll have to write about yourself. This is your homework. Okay, you'll have to write about yourself. Yes, you have to paste a picture of yourself in traditional clothes here. Okay, so this is your homework. You'll have to paste the picture of yourself in traditional clothes, and you'll have to write about like this. Okay, like what is it, from which state you are, what are the languages you know, what is the traditional dress you're wearing, then what is the traditional food of that state that you eat. All these things you'll have to write. Okay, now children, these are the 5 groups of people which you have studied. Now let's move to our next topic. Okay, so since children, you can see these are the traditional dresses of India. Okay, can you see? Okay, Yes, these are the traditional dresses of the different groups of people who stays in India. And on the right hand side you can see the Assamese people are there. Okay, the Assamese boy and girl you can see here. Children on the right hand side, and they are wearing mikla chadar. Okay. Okay. So what are the new words, children? The new word is favorite. Okay, I hope you learn the meaning of this new word favorite. And what is the spelling of this new word? It is Favorite. In the next live class I'll write this, I'll ask the spelling of the new words. And children, you can see here what is the pronunciation, how it's pronounced. It is favorite. And so now children, let's move to our next question. Okay, here it's given, John's friend Ali likes to eat kulcha and rogan josh. Okay, you listen to the question carefully. Also his mother wears firan. Can you recognize the state where he belongs? Okay, can you tell me the state from where he belongs, the state where people wear firan and kulcha and rogan josh is eaten? Yes, it is Jammu and Kashmir. Okay, and here one more question is there. In Maharashtra, people speak Aw and English. They wear woolen shawl and eat meat, fish, rice and tattu. Is the above statement correct? Identify the incorrect words and correct them. So children, in Maharashtra, people what they do, they speak Aw and English, and they wear woolen shawl and eats meat, fish, rice and that. So is this statement correct? Is in Maharashtra people speak Aw and English? Think about them. No, it is in Nagaland people speak Aw and English, and they wear what they wear? They wear woolen shawl and eats meat, fish, rice and statue. Okay, so children, we shall stop till here. Okay, and please go through the portion which I have explained you. You give a reading and do the homework. Meet you in the next class. Okay children, have a good day and bye bye.